Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cover strong element, emphasis, block quote and quotation mark. Okay, so here you can see strong element and emphasis on my screen. Okay, here you can see HTML path, how strong element we used or we write here in HTML, and you can see the results. Okay, so what is the use of strong element? The use of strong element indicates that its content has strong importance. For example, the word contained in the strong element might be said with strong emphasis. By default, browser will show the content of a strong element in bold. Okay, so here you can see HTML path and you can see the result. Okay, uh, in strong element you can see the coding exactly. I write here pickpocket operate in this area. So beware is written in strong element. Okay, and you can see the paragraph. This toy has many small pieces and it is not suitable for children under 5 years old. Okay, in strong element, not suitable for children under 5 years old. Okay, in strong element. Now here we are talking about emphasis. The emphasis element indicates that emphasis that subtly change the meaning of the sentence, and by default some of the browser will show the content of an emphasis element in italic. Okay, here you can see. Okay, here you can see in Visual Studio Code how I am using strong element. Okay, I am typing here normal paragraph. Here we are going to learn strong element and emphasis element. Simply I am typing to show you. Okay, in front of VR I am gonna using strong element. Okay, here I am going to type strong. This is a coding path. Simply I am typing. Okay, now closing the strong after VR. So VR you can see in bold format. Okay, you know about bold and italic. So strong for bold and emphasis for italic. Simple. Okay, now Control S. I'm saving. Now you will see in my browser. I am refreshing here my browser. Okay, here you can see VR in bold format. Okay, here we are going to learn strong element, emphasis element, VR in a bold format. Okay, so this is the basics of strong element. This is very simple. Here I am showing you only how to use this coding language and path. Now I am going to use emphasis element. Okay, I am covering simple word emphasis to show you emphasis element. You will see emphasis in italic format. Okay, now I am saving. Control S. Now you will see the result in my browser window. Okay, let me go to and refresh it. Now you can see emphasis word in italic format. Okay, so this is for italic, emphasis for italic and strong for bold. This is very simple. Okay, you can see the path how I'm using strong and closing strong. Okay, emphasis element and the closing emphasis element. Okay, now here we are covering the another element, block quote and quotation. You know about the quotation mark to show something in a special meaning. Okay. Block quote basically we used to show the sentence in the top of the middle, or you know, in like a headline or tag, like whatever, in the, you know, in a proper way, so that you can attract the viewers to see something special which is written here. This is basically uh, okay. How to use the block quote and quotation here? You can see HTML path and the result. Simple, you can see. Now this all will I type in Visual Studio Code. Okay, so you can see here how it is written. The path, you can see here the path, block quote, and you can also mention your website in block quote element. You can see here in the top side, block quote side, and you can write your website name, then close the block quote, then under the paragraph you can type whatever you want to show up as a block quote. Okay, and basically quotation mark is showing something special, that what you are going to tell to people, that what is the meaning and the more importance. Okay, so here you can see a clear result. Okay, some people talk to animal. Okay, you can see q and closing q. Some people talk to animal, not many listen though. Okay, that's the problem. This is we will see in the special quotation mark. Here I am typing in Visual Studio Code so that you can understand better. Simply you can see and learn and memorize all the things. uh, it's very easy, and what I am going to tell you, that this is the path you can type to show something special importance to your word, sentence, whatever you want to type. Okay, just remember these things: block quote and quotation mark. This is very simple. Okay, don't worry about that how to type. Okay, here I'm showing you in Visual Studio Code so that you can better understand. Okay, first I'm typing block quote. Automatically it will open and with closing tags. Here we are going to learn about block quote, that simply I am typing a paragraph to show you how the block quote element will affect, how it will appear in the browser window. Okay, simply I am typing here. Okay, here we are going to learn about block quote, that how it will appear. Now I am so Control S. I save this, and here you can see exactly what is written. Okay, I write the same here in Visual Studio Code. You can see. You can put your you can also put your website name or other special websites to consider. Okay, simply I'm putting P element. Simple, it's for paragraph, P for paragraph. Okay, I'm closing. Control S. Now you will see the result in browser window, how it will appear. Now I refreshing my page, and now you can see a little bit gap here. Okay, this is in a special way that you gonna showing something to your viewers or clients or whatever you mention in your website. You can type like that. This is very simple. Now I am going to cover up the quotation mark, how it will appear in the browser window. I'm typing in my Visual Studio Code. You can see this, repeat this video again and again pause this and memorize these things. This is a simple coding path. This is nothing very simple, but only you have to memorize all these things. Okay, how I am using a block quote, quotation mark, strong element, emphasis element. Okay, now I am typing in my Visual Studio Code. You can see the result of quotation mark. Okay, now I am typing one paragraph here. Here we are going to use simple quotation mark. I'm typing here quote only. Okay, now I'm choosing one word. Which word? I think we are. Okay, you will see we are in a special quotation mark. Simply I'm typing here, showing you that how it will affect. Okay, now I am closing quotation mark. We are going, you will see in quotation mark. Okay, now control S. Okay, simple. I'm showing you this again and again because you can memorize these things. Okay, now I'm refreshing my window. You can see we are going in a quotation mark. Okay, so this is how we use quotation mark and block quote. This is very simple. You can see the result. We are going in special quotation mark. Okay, something you are gonna, you know, if you're going to show something important, you can show this under the quotation mark. Okay, so here I use the path q by closing q. This is very simple, and that's it for the day. Thank you for watching my video, and the next video will coming soon. I will post again and again every week. I have a little bit time, but make sure I will grow my channel. And thank you guys for watching my video.